Welcome to Best Sellers Market, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of top-selling products. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into a countdown of the very best arts and crafts tape products available on Amazon. Whether you're a crafting enthusiast or a DIY aficionado, we've curated this list to showcase the top contenders that are making waves in the creative community. So without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the best of the best in arts and crafts tape. At number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon, we have the X-Fasten Adhesive Roller, a must-have for all your scrapbooking needs. Let's dive right into what makes this double-sided glue tape roller a top contender. The X-Fasten Adhesive Roller offers permanent and instant bonding. Say goodbye to messy glue spills. With this roller, applying adhesive to any surface is not only effortless but also mess-free. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for those on-the-go crafting sessions or spontaneous creative bursts. Forget about the hassle of liquid adhesives that can leave a sticky residue or ruin your precious projects. This tape roller provides a clean and mess-free application, ensuring your work remains immaculate. Whether you're crafting in the classroom, the office, or your home, this roller is designed to keep things neat and tidy. For those preserving cherished memories, the X-Fasten Adhesive Roller is photo-safe. It's acid-free, archival-safe, and invisible on scrapbook papers and gift wraps. This means you can store and enjoy your photos for years to come without worrying about any damage. Efficiency is key in crafting, and this roller delivers with its fast and jam-free applicator. It's engineered to keep your projects moving smoothly, so you can focus on creating without interruptions. Lastly, the roller's compact design and easy-to-use mechanism make it an ideal companion for any crafting task. With a protective tip cover, you won't have to worry about your bag getting stuck to the adhesive. Whether you're at school, wrapping gifts, or working on a scrapbook, the X-Fasten Adhesive Roller is your reliable tool. So for those seeking precision, convenience, and a mess-free experience in their crafting, this double-sided tape roller is your go-to solution. In our number 4 spot for the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon, we have the versatile 4-pack double-sided tape roller. This set brings a splash of color and innovation to your crafting arsenal. First up, let's talk about the double-sided tape set. This pack includes 4 vibrant rolls in shades of purple, blue, pink, and brown. Each roll is a burst of creativity waiting to happen, making it easier to match your tape to your project's theme. What sets this tape apart is its innovative design. Unlike traditional double-sided tapes that can be a hassle to handle, this tape features a built-in roller system. Simply press the tape head obliquely on your paper, pull and press. The result? A smooth, wrinkle-free application without the mess of conventional tapes. With each roll measuring 0.31 inches in width and 26.25 feet in length, you're looking at ample capacity. That's a lot of tape for a variety of uses, from crafting cards and making gifts to wrapping presents and more. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a family looking to get creative together, this tape has you covered. The mini version design is a game changer. Compact at just 1.77 by 3.54 inches, it's perfectly portable. Slip it into your bag, pocket, or even a student pencil case, and you're ready to craft on the go. Finally, this tape is remarkably versatile. It's ideal for sealing envelopes, packaging gift bags, crafting handbooks, making cards, and of course, scrapbooking. It combines beauty and practicality, making your crafting experience both enjoyable and efficient. So, if you're looking for a colorful, innovative, and practical tape solution, this 4-pack double-sided tape roller is your perfect crafting companion. In the number 3 spot of our countdown of the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon, we present the Scrapbook Tape 4-pack double-sided tape roller, a versatile tool that will elevate your crafting game. Let's dive into the highlights of this fantastic product. Sticky and safe to use, this tape is crafted from high-quality glue, providing a strong bond without being destructive. It's designed to preserve your scrapbooks and photos for the long haul, ensuring that your cherished memories remain intact. Say goodbye to the mess of traditional adhesives. With the mess-free and fast application, the Scrapbook glue tape stands out. Unlike ordinary double-sided or liquid adhesives that can create chaos, this tape offers a clean, hassle-free experience. It adheres in seconds. No drying time required, so you can move on to the next step of your project almost immediately. What's more, this is a premium tape runner. Its compact design, paired with superior quality materials, guarantees that the glue applies smoothly and evenly every time. The pack of 4 tape runners ensures you're stocked up for home, school, or office use. It's simple enough for kids and robust enough for adults. This tape roller is also an excellent alternative to traditional adhesive tapes. Its multi-purpose functionality means it's perfect for scrapbooking, photos, crafts, and more. And if you make a mistake, no worries. You can clean and reapply the tape with ease. And here's the best part: the no-reason return and replace service. If this tape doesn't meet your expectations, the manufacturer offers a straightforward return or replacement process, ensuring your satisfaction is a top priority. So if you're looking for a reliable, mess-free, and user-friendly tape for all your crafting needs, the Scrapbook Tape 4-pack double-sided tape roller is the perfect choice. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon? If so, make sure to stick around. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in crafting supplies. At number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon, we've got a standout, the Duck brand 1265016 Color Duct Tape in neon pink. This tape isn't just about bold color, it's packed with performance and versatility. First off, let's talk heavy duty. This tape is a powerhouse, designed to tackle repairs with ease, fuel your crafting creativity, and bring your imaginative projects to life. Its robust adhesive ensures that it sticks and stays put, making it a reliable choice for any task that demands durability. But that's not all. The Duck brand Color Duct Tape is not only functional, but also vibrant. With its striking neon pink hue, it adds a splash of excitement to everything it touches. Whether you're fixing up an old item, creating unique crafts, or just looking to add a touch of flair, this tape stands out. And here's a bonus. It comes in a variety of patterns. So if neon pink isn't quite your style, don't worry. There's a Duck brand duct tape pattern for everyone. From classic to trendy designs, there's something to match your every project and personality. So for those who demand both toughness and style, the Duck brand neon pink duct tape is your go-to choice. It's more than just tape. It's a tool that makes repairs and creativity pop.
In the top spot of our countdown for the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon, we proudly present the Duck 1265015 winking tape. This is not just any tape. It's the ultimate solution for making your projects and repairs stand out with flair and efficiency. First, let's highlight what sets this tape apart. Make your next quick fix stand out. This isn't merely functional, it's designed to add a touch of style to your repair and crafting tasks. Whether you're patching up an item or creating something new, the winking tape ensures your work doesn't just get done. It gets done with a distinctive edge. When it comes to versatility, this tape excels. It's perfect for a wide range of uses, from repairs to crafting, and even your most imaginative projects. With its ability to adhere to various surfaces, cloth, vinyl, leather, plastic, metal, and laminates, this tape is your go-to for any task that demands reliable adhesion and a professional finish. The Duck winking tape is also exceptionally user-friendly. It tears easily by hand without curling and conforms effortlessly to uneven surfaces. No more battling with stubborn tape or uneven application. This tape handles it all with ease. With a generous 1.88 inches wide by 20 yards long, each roll of duck winking tape provides ample coverage for all your needs. So, whether you're tackling repairs, diving into creative projects, or simply adding a touch of personality to your work, the Duck 1265015 winking tape is the top choice for superior performance and standout style.
We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling arts and crafts tape on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.